Hey, it's Billy Mack with the Restore Warehouse, your original Restore Warehouse since 1999. And yes, folks, we've been restoring this community, Fayetteville, Cumberland County, the surrounding area, since 1999. The biggest investment we make, the biggest return we get is when we partner with Fayetteville Urban Ministry. I'm joined today by Sonny Kelly, operations man at Fayetteville Urban Ministry. And Sonny, tell us about what's going on with the building blocks of tomorrow's generation, your Find a Friend program.
That's right. Our Find a Friend program serves about 200 at-risk youth right here in your community each year. We transform their lives, after-school programming, summer programming, and listen, what we want to do is prepare these kids to be assets to this community and restore this community.
That's right. What we're all about. What's the greatest need with the Find a Friend program? What do you guys need most to help those kids who are most at risk?
Right now, there's nothing more important to an at-risk youth than one adult who will care about them. Take a minute to just spend some time with them. We're looking for one-on-one mentors. You can call us at 483-4661. You can even find out how to sponsor a kid for their full year of programming with Find a Friend.
Now, when you talk about a full year, what's that entail? What do they get in a year that's going to help them better, that's going to eliminate them to want to be in a gang or to be into trouble or to be in the system? How do we keep them out of the system?
That's right. In addition to mentoring, which is so important, we have after-school programming throughout the year where we work on academics, tutoring, behavior modification. We even have home visits, school visits, but we also have our incentive trips in the summertime. It's a summer incentive camp where the kids who have done improvements over the years, they can actually spend 6 weeks with us full-time to take trips to the beach, trips to the aquariums, all kinds of great productive and exciting activities.
Do they get to go Zip Quest?
We're hoping to get a sponsorship from ZipQuest and have them come out and check it out. But they go to the aquarium, they go to the zoo, and whatever we can get our hands on, and whatever our sponsorships can pay for, we take those kids and broaden their horizons all summer long.
Now, you talk about the camp that they're in for 6 weeks. I mean, y'all got like a clubhouse? Have y'all got, where do these kids go?
We're right down at 725 West Rowan Street, right at the old Lions Club building by Rowan Street Park. We got a playground out there, a beautiful park, and about 4,000 square feet of space to work with the kids on education as well as activities.
That's awesome, man. So we're talking about Fayetteville Urban Ministry today, our partner. If it wasn't for Fayetteville Urban Ministry, there really would be no Restore Warehouse. So when you participate at the Restore Warehouse, whether it's you're donating, whether it's you're buying, whether it's you're referring us to a friend, when y'all come down and participate, 100% of the net profit goes right back into charity, goes to support things like Fayetteville Urban Ministry and their Find a Friend program, and we are restoring our community.
That's right. We're your urban ministry, and this is your Restore Warehouse.
So Fayetteville's Restore Warehouse, the Find a Friend program, Fayetteville Urban Ministry, we need you to participate today. Come on down. 205 Forsyth Street is where we're located. You guys are located where?
At 701 Whitfield Street, and you can give us a call at 483-4661.
So when you want to make a difference in your community, Restore Warehouse
and your urban ministry.